Oh my god. Finally got it. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this now. I kinda already opened the box, just barely, because I gotta record this with one hand using the iPad. Okay. We're gonna start off with this. The $10 voucher thingy. Controller. I actually already have a second one because of the bundle, but yeah, it actually feels pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie, it's way better than the PS3. But alright. We waited in line for like for like 2 hours, maybe an hour, something around there. Manuals. I'm not gonna open that because there's no point. Power cord. The mono headset, which is weird. I'll end up buying another one like either Black Friday or Cyber Monday, one of those sales or whatever. Charger for the controller, and HDMI cord, which is really good because the last generation consoles, they didn't come with an HDMI cord. And this is going to be the hard part. The console itself. Okay. How am I going to do this? Okay. Okay. Let me put this down real quick. And the console itself. Dude, this is like so sexy. Oh my god. But yeah. Oh, and also with the bundle, you get the choice of one game. I got Killzone Shadowfall. No, this is a must-have. This game looks amazing. And the second game, well, I just add this anyway, but it's Battlefield. I plan on picking up like Knack and what's the other game? Knack and Need for Speed, but I'll get those like Black Friday as well. I didn't want to spend too much today. So yeah, the bundle, because Tony was because some weird reason. If you didn't pre-order and you just went to sort of pick it up, you had to buy a bundle, which is with a controller and a game, and that bring it up to like $520, and with tax like $556. And then I just bought me another game just for the heck of it because I had some extra cash. But yeah, I ended up spending about like $640, I think it was. Oh, I don't remember, but it was 6 something. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.